This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Salah. Welcome to this rare mixed-use property, residential/commercial, with a strategic location in the heart of historic Floral City, situated on the national landmark Avenue of the Oaks. This property has been completely remodeled and restored, featuring a brand new kitchen with new cabinets, elegant light fixtures, a double basin farmhouse sink, and all new appliances, range, refrigerator, dishwasher, among other upgrades. It also comes with a transferable termite protection policy. This property was once the home of Capt and West.C. Zimmerman, the first Clerk of Court in Citrus County, who played a role in recognizing Inverness as the present county seat. Zoned CLC, it can be used for both commercial and residential purposes. In the past, it has functioned as a home, art gallery, bed and breakfast, and upholstery shop. The wraparound porch has 3 entrances. The main door opens into an entry hallway with 3 rooms/offices, 1 common area, a half bath, a back deck, and access to the remaining areas. A second front door leads to a 4th office/room, which can be separated from the other rooms. The third entrance brings you directly into the large central common area of the building. This common area could serve as a kitchen, dining room, conference room, or be divided into additional rooms or offices. The master bedroom/breakroom has a full bath and its own entrance to the back deck. Additionally, there is a large attached workshop/storage/entertainment/garage area. This Victorian farmhouse features a double fireplace and 12 ceilings throughout, with handcrafted wooden arches over the original bay windows and the common area. The property retains its historic charm with original hardwood floors, ceilings, walls, doors, and windows. It is partially fenced and can accommodate over 30 vehicles. The building offers endless possibilities, making it ideal for retail, professional business, service, medical, accounting, real estate, daycare, or as an iconic restaurant, coffee shop, retreat, and more. It is located a block away from the 46+ mile with Lakuchi State Trail, attracting bicyclists, hikers, and other outdoor enthusiasts. The property neighbors the Heritage Museum, FC Library, Duval House, as well as restaurants, shops, and local businesses, and is approximately half a mile from the boat ramp on the chain of lakes. While the property is in the historic district, it is not on the National Register of Historic Places. For more information on permitted uses, see the property info package. Call for more info. For more information, review the details below or contact Salah at 801-918-7745.